how to enable or disable allow audio playback during camera recording on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Camera. Next, go down, and in here, tap on Record Sound. Next, tap on Allow Audio Playback. Tap on the toggle button to turn this feature off or turn it on. And here it said, audio playback will not pause automatically when recording video. When playing audio using your iPhone speaker, audio will be recorded in mono. So this allow audio playback in camera settings feature on the iPhone 16 allows you to play background audio while recording videos. When this feature is enabled, you can listen to music, podcasts, or other audio content while simultaneously capturing video. This can be useful for creating videos with a specific soundtrack or adding background music to your footage. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.